Kani-kadai Doodarshan Meghalaya bat ni priang snobhai pi baro syakatuk kubor menta ka janmit. Para shwa bangin pai shi kubor ki babnya ngini pet choi ki mat bakongsan. Yakran Menteri Rangba ukong rat ki sangma bat ki nongshin menta lembak ki ofisar halor ki sien jam ban kintiu ya ka pule putih hapo ka jela. IT lai lut ke sorkar jelas syaki pulit halor ke muka dema syak penyap Raja Raghuvanshi. Bat on mikmat sanmut kinong yakun ke jelai ya ke India ha ke Asian Muay Thai Championship ha Vietnam. Kikubor ki babnya. Menteri Rangba ke jela ukon rat ki sangma ula pelat ya ke Meghalaya School Quality Assessment and Accreditation Framework MSQAAF CM Impact Meghalaya Learning Enhancement Program ha ke jingyalang Education Conclave Arajat Arpusan Hatura. Menteri Rangba ula soy ya ke soskular ke jingete bat ke Mothers Union bat samru ya ki tablet ciki kena pulih ki badonkam ya ki jingdonkam bakar panghakaliang ke pulih putih. Usang ma ula kedoru ya ke jingkongsan ha ke baydai bat ke jingsoy ya ke soskular bat ke Mothers Union ha ringkat ke jing IT ya palat arhoteli ki skul haki. Ula pensyai bak ke sorkar kan omdu jing penyat ya ki skul Henry nakaliang ke Mothers Union kan yarap penyat ya ki ha ke rukom ke babet barenti. Ula ya keren ru halor ke Youth Development Strategy ke jing bay tingka jong ke sorkar ha ki kam ya lekai bat ki kam bayadai bat ke lariti lem bat ke sandur bat kelum lang jong ke roy kapar nak kebenta ki samla.
This model, it has taken some time, but I'm happy that today we have come to the conclusion. And the idea is not that we're handing over the whole school to them. No, it's not like that. These are still government schools. Salaries still will be paid by the government. Teachers will not be affected. So I hope the teachers don't take it otherwise. Teachers will not be affected. But the idea is that the Mothers Union will come in and proactively work with the teachers, work with the families, work with the students, and see how education can be then made even better in those 20 schools.
Katba ke jing toket ha ka bayadai bat ke jing syak penyap jong unang kai na Indor Raja Raghuvanshi kadang ya chakmat u Chief Secretary ke jela uba DP Walang ula ong ba ke sorkar jela kala IT light load syak katrat pulit ban toket ya ka muka dema klem kanu ke jing tuklar. Wat hapadeng ke jing yai beteng ke jing ban kian bana syabar khamtam naki bahayeng jong ulanot ban IT no ya ke jing toket syai kita nak toket ka sorkar pedeng hadin ke jing ja rangai Raja bat ke Sonam Raghuvanshi uba Walang ula banjur baki pulit kidon hapadeng ke jing trekam ba light load haringkat ke jing kershan bapura na baro ki liang ke sen jam ke ba ha ka ba khatdu kalayalam syak ke jing syakem jong ki ba syak ke no don kti hapo ki jing long jingman ki ba jerwet bat ki ba ma jing e.
The missing report was filed and the FIR was subsequently filed. The police have always had a free hand to conduct investigation. There was no attempt from any quarter to interfere with the process of investigation, and that is the reason why the process of investigation led to this arrest of the culprits. Of course, it was very challenging because time was a challenge, and then of course the terrain was a challenge, and a lot of pressure was coming from various quarters to hand over investigation to central agencies. They work under a lot of pressure, but kudos to them, and you have to give credit to the investigation team. They managed to crack the team, and it's a watertight case.
Presiden ke United Democratic Party ba met ba lingdo ula banjur halor ke jingdon kam ban penklan ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA da ka bakedo ba ka long ka sinjam ka bakongsan ban te lakam ya ke jingsukia ka nangkiu ha ka bayday bat ke bamat halor ke jingwan rung kirthap chapo ke jela. Kene ke jingkren jong u kalami hadin ke jing temu badang shen jong ke kenhon menteri ke jela ban kemi biang ya ke MRSSA namar ke jing syak penyap basyirkai jong unang wan jongok kai perthai na indoor u Raja Raghuvanshi hasora bala kenok penwandor da ke kurim jong u lembat ki weipan. Uba lingdo ula kren syai ba omyo i yakinu ki jingduna haka MRSSA bat penken mau ba ka yeng dor bar tauan ke jela kalau dep menjur ya ka rai ban kentu ya ka sorkar pedeng haka ban pentri kamno ya ka inner line permit lani ILP hapo ke jela.
As to MRSSA, I don't see anything wrong with it. They can always get the same in place to see that whatever process and system that has to be followed as far as the influx is concerned, I think it is going to help it in whatever way right now. I mean, state government has to pursue the matter again and again. There's no harm for it. There are few areas of concern perhaps which conflicts with the central law. That aspect has to be sorted out in case if it is there, and whatever stop the government to go ahead with it is because of, I'm sure there must be some constraint or some issues.
Ka Meghalaya State Planning Board kaladon haki kela bakadu jong ka jingpen krea ban ai jingmut halor kila jingpen bed na ka benta ka jing dheng kali ka bajur hanong ba Shillong. Haba pentip ya kani u chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board uba met ba lingdo ula batai halor ka jing persang ka Planning Board ban kemi ya ka jing dheng kali. Uloong ba ka jing yakren bat kita nak terekam ba per kelas dang ha usnem baladep bat ka board menta ka don ha kela bakadu ha ka ban pen krea ya ka jing ai jingmut. Uloong ruba on sa syong saha ka wei ka jingelang haswa bakin penbed bat pa ya ka jing ai jingmut sya ka sorkar.
Is examining all the points and all the actions taken by the different departments who are part and parcel of the solution as far as the traffic congestion solving issues. The board will definitely come out with some kind of a suggestion, and we're going to place it with the government for further consideration, so that the same also can be implemented in the Shillong city. This exercise is on. We will try to close it as early as possible.
U kli nang yalam ka United Democratic Party UDP ba met ba lingdo ha ka singi ba ar uloong ba ka seng kala ban shim ya karai ha ka ban thong ya General Secretary ba thamai ha ka jingelang Central Executive Committee CEC ka bala kmi lenti ban long ha ka tayo ban ningkong jong ubnai naitung ula pentikina ba ka seng kala pediang ya ka jing eno kam jong General Secretary barim uba Jemino mautho bat kumba kalong menta ka nika kam kadang sa thili. Uba lingdo ula penskem ru ba ka UDP ka yai beteng ha ka ban kieu ha ka jingklan jongka ha ka leng ka jela da ka benrap ba baro ki MLA ka seng bat nong yalam ki yateli lang ka wei bat kut jingmut na ka benta ka ju ka thong.
The media, I think, with regard to this, that the next CEC will sit and discuss about this resignation of, not resignation, basically, to elect the new General Secretary of the party. Yeah, we have accepted, I should say. We have accepted, yes. The next CEC, in fact, we have a plan for this month end. But if not, perhaps maybe sometime in the first week of July. There's nothing to hurry about that also. But as a party, we should have GS.
Ha ka jingpen kre na ka benta ki election Shakagaro Hills Autonomous District Council ka ban salong ha ubanai rempang lani leber jong usnem ban wan ka seng Congress kala rai ban ya kunting ya ka seng NPP ka basen syar ha GHADC. Ka working president Joko Congress ha Meghalaya ka Deborah C Marak kalong ba ka seng kala penbet thamai la dia na ka benta ban penkre bat ban ai ya ka jing ya kun ka bating Kalau ong babaro ki blok Congress Committee kila thau thamai ban pentikna bakin long ki bala penkre bha haman lagi constituency kalau pentip ru ba ka jingjit ya ki kertong kala ban sedang ha unailar ni nailur.
Every block we have already constituted BCCs, and under BCCs we are percolating down to the grassroots level, polling booths level, to strengthen the party organization. We are ready to fight the election, and our organization, BCCs, polling booths, we are ready by now.
Hakabay day bat kajing wanra ya ka roy kapar bat ban pet ya kajing e jong ki pat ba u MLA ka nong po uba Meral Bonds em ula let ya kendu ya ki nong snong ka dok kha them bat dok kha lom ka ba ha hapo ka nong po constituency ban ngap ya kajing e bat kajing dan kam jong ki ha ka liang ka kampen roy. Haga ni kajing ya kendu ki nong snong ki la pen pau ya kajing dan kam ba kongsan ha ka snong jong ki. Haba ajeng kren haga ni ka sngi uba Meral Bonds em ula kular ya ki nong snong ba on sa penlong penurlong ya kijing dawa jongki. Hagan ngi UMLA ula IT ru ya ka work order ka ba arlak tingka lingba ka special rural work program na ka benta kijing sina penbha ya ki surang.
Ya kijing kam ha kishnong kitang sibun tami kijing kam. Kadai kijing sisang kawagilay kito bantan kay ya kator parsno. Na kabantaban extend na ni manang bunhe ya kani kijing norma. Ladang kijing school jengod ladang pasdang mabang kijing era ibagan ayam kinlong face wise. Kamu kawat kawanang kom kawat kabaan kawat kabalay kamtakan. Tigladang kijing kan sa katagkom. Bang panagalian ke jongaru ha kabedi barka indor bar ke jumpian ni. Dipol digladet ngayo banyara. Bagedang ngay kadang banyara. Bapa hakani kebat jong muslim arajan arfusan dari uru ngalapu yang nagabantaka extension ni kini di indoor park ke jumpi video pensina ka hamhe na utagi tikuntoy ke jumpi kuba
Uba wailat Miki Shilla UMLA na Jowai bat uba longru chairman ka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority ne muda ulapan pau ya ke jingkular ban penbhai ya ke jingdan kam ha ka kyang nang ba stadium ka bala rimtam ha Giant Hills. Uloong baka day ke jing ang nur ka bala slam ha ban penbhai ya ka ni ka stadium. Ka jingkren usila kalami hadin ke jing jurip badang shen ya ka kyang nang ba stadium halat halabo Jowai. Kani ke jinglet jurip ka day ke jinglet jingo ka baar kum shibenta jong ka jingpen kre ya ka National Games arhajar arpunyo. Uba shila ula benrap ru ba watla ka jing maramot ya ka stadium ka long ka bakongsan hinrain ka jing penlong ya ka Meghalaya Games ha Giant Hills kala penlong ru ya ka jing slam ha ka jing tray ban penbha ya ka ni ka stadium.
Ngot ko yung ngan kau MLA yung gani ka konstituensi to jing trang yung nga to ya gani ka madan mo ka win ka madan ko rim tam hapo ka rilom jain tiag yung i ho de MLA ka jing perchang na du ki por gu mun chwale mut hi ka te ka jing ang not wo to pun chna kat kam man go ai jer tang sa thu kai phi to tip phi to ka ni ka madan em go per diom go sor ko wa kat mut ka thau to man go du chutom hai thau ta kam man kat te han re han kat te le kat i WM hak ti yong iu perchang iu pun chna pun miet kat kam kat we wa lai te ka te ka jing mut ka jing thu wat ka nim to ka sin ko nang kong kam ong phi na ru ki por ko mun chwa de em the one ki minister the one ki officers the one paj the one yogi heu ya klam nei benta pun miet pun bahaya ka ni madan
Ka senjuk kirang ba snong jong ka Ribhoy district kilapan pau ya ka jing sokhia bajur halor ka jing slam palat jong ka sorkar ban pelat ya ka song pisa ha ka ban thiet ya ki tiar ban pentre ya ki kam hapo ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act ne MNREGA ka bla tip ka pat ba ru kum ka scheme bala shispa sngi. Kani ka jing slam kala wanra ya ka jing thot ka bakraw ya ki jing pentre ya ki kam penroy ha bon tali ki snong hapo ka district. Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor u chairman ka sinduk chin nganong biasisian Habakran Chikilat Pathai Kubor u chairman ka sinjuk kirang ba shnong Ribhoy district uba bibi makdo uloong banado unailar arjar arpusaw tat hadu menta ka sorkar kampat pelat ya kepisa bayadai bat ka bait tiar
or sa government na kaliang jungi kirang ba shnong siya kiniga isa material kapoy namarba kumbang itepi kanela bear daka central mat kandiat na ka state then ray hadu menta jing sakut jaman ni bills kala sa agumdum mangigir masno lada ja baga government kam kwa su ban pentrikam yang ni ka scheme kala day ban krensai nong bangin ng pentre su ni ka scheme kanang bang mangigir masno mangi kinong ilam snong ki chairman jong BC nginom ki nginam ksachu banyawat vendor banya supply ki mau ki siap semen berkompetitor Henry kumba kalong menta la subu yangi kum gelang kenya ki Robert Stam la dadai pa government ka don kam ingi ker ka snong sitang mir ni habni Henry ya ki jing don kam jong ka snong jing don kam jong ki snong ki bakaroi ka par ka bangide ban seu ki bai nong tray seu ya ki bai tiar ki bai semen ki bai rod ka government ka snap plam ka snap jar ho tongim penrem
Kalong ka jing sarong ka bakraw ya ka jela Meghalaya ha ka basan ngot kinong ya kun na ka jela kila penkre ban mikmat ya ka ri India sya ka lempung Asian Muay Thai Championship arajar apusan ka ban salong ha Thai Nguyen Province Vietnam na do ka arpho terek ha do ka arpho terek jeliu kini kinong ya kun kin let mikmat na ka United Muay Thai Association of India ni UMAI shwa bakin mi na ka ri ka Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya ni MTAM kala penlong ya ka program kitbok ya kini kinong ya kun. President ka MTAM Angeles Sun ula penpau ya ka jingsngu ya ki longyeng jong kini kinong ya kun ki bala penbiang hi ya baro ki jinglut jingsep na ka benta ka jinglet shim menta jong ki sya ka te ke lempung ka balong hadu i waypoint arpusan lak tingka marway. Ula penpau ru ya ka jingkermen baka sorkar jela kan sa ya ka jingyarap pisa ban kershan ya ka ni ka kenhun ya lekai.
Matasi kalong ba kani kenti kalong kajing pulut jing sep nadong hadong hi kalong bait na kaliang ki kimi pa di bahye ngem semlayo sponsor we kuna ulot kembasilak arfan hajar te kini paro kidai jing lot na kaliang parents na kimi pa profit bang lairu ya application sya ga government sya po CM connect te gila phone hiru yang kala kli te kermen skam hiru bana kalian ka government kumba kaju ai bat kumba kaju yarap ya ka Muay Thai Association of Meghalaya ping li sibenta sipo bari dengan train kermen ru akan eksen ru bang sayo ya kala lani ka song sa na ka yarap kung chief minister
Mentapat ngini pe ik jinglong jingman kesun meneng hatura ka jing kriat kalong apulai degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong life away degree Celsius ka jing ngem ka hau kalong nyau pusau na ka shispa ba ka jing hap slap kalong lai point lai millimeter Haba pai pat shanong ba shalong ka jing kriat kalong khat pra point lai degree Celsius ka jing shit pat kalong up ho point degree Celsius ka jing ngem ka hau kalong khandai puway na ka shispa ba ka jing hap slap kalong nyau point not millimeter Kat bah jowai ka jing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius ba ka jing shit kalong up degree Celsius ka jing ngem ka hau kalong prapusan na ka shispa ba ka jing hap slap kalong point san millimeter Hap slap ka bamalumala bat ka jingtiat uperthat hatura shalong bat jowai bat haki babun ki jaka. Shwawan poi syaka bukut jong ka thup kubor ngini pet biang sa sisian yakimat bakongsan. Yakar Menteri Rangba ukong rat ke sangma bat kinong shimenta lem bat ki ofisar halor ki senjam ban kentiu ya ka puli putih hapo jela. IT lailot ke sorkar jela syaki kulit halor ke mukadama syak penyap Raja Raghuvanshi. Bat on mikmat sanwat kinong yakun ke jela ya ke India haka Asian Muay Thai Championship ha Vietnam. Te paralok atung ila poi syaka bukut jong ka kubor jengi menta ka janmiat hado bangin de syambiang mat pila syai ka sengi kublei pi baro.
प्रदेशों से अच्छा हुए हैं और जैसे हम लोग का असम में हेल्थ सेक्टर को इम्पोर्टेंस दिया जा रहा है मैं मानता हूं कि अगली SRS बुलेटिन में हम और कोई प्रदेशों को पीछे करने में सफल होंगे